Welcome, and thank you for joining us for the Aurora Mini-Con. Today we are going to be making superhero necklaces. So if you grabbed your grab-and-go kit from one of our library locations, they have a washer, a comic book cutout, some glue, and then your actual necklace part that you're going to use to make the necklace, right? And you'll just need to find some scissors at home. So hopefully you have some scissors. To start with, this is a really easy craft. You're going to take your glue packet and cut off a small little tip from the corner that you're going to use to get the glue out. And you're going to spread it on the washer. Right? I'm going to use my finger, but if you have a brush, that works too. Once you spread it on your washer, you go ahead and take your comic book cutout and place it on top. And then you let it dry. And then once that's dry, you're going to go ahead and put your glue on top. All right, just a little dab all over it and then spread it out. Like I said, you can use your finger or you can use a brush. But for this stage, just make sure you have the whole comic book picture covered and make sure you get the edges as well. You can kind of smooth it over the edges. So, and then you wait for that to dry. Alright, so our washer is dry now. So all we have to do is fold our string in half. We're going to thread the looped end through the middle, like so, and then take the other two loose ends and then put it through the loop, like this. And then pull tight. Right? Once you've done that, you can go ahead and tie a knot at the end of your necklace. Might have to double knot it so it's a little tight. It doesn't come undone. And you can go ahead and cut any extra string that you still have. And there you go, you have your superhero necklace. So our grab-and-go kits you can pick up at our library locations while supplies last. And definitely check out our other Mini-Con events. We have activities, we have games all weekend of the 14th and 15th of November, but our videos will be up on our website all month long. So definitely check that out, and I hope you guys have a great day.